Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. And today I wanted to show you an update for Deboard. Well, the node projects that we talked about before. They are the ones that build like a casual gaming platform, simple games that we can all play, and that is on the Avalanche C chain on their network. Their token launch will happen in, I think, Q3 or Q4 this year, so the next few months. And right now, they have the initial DEX offering Q1 sale, which is now live on their launchpad. For that, they have 40 different tiers, I believe. You can see all the tiers, I think, in here as well, in their Git book, in their white paper. And so far, the sale is going pretty well. They sold $50,000, pretty much exact so far, and there's $150,000 per stage, and there are 40 different tiers, so about $6 million total that will be raised in here. And we can even see on the dashboard how much we earn. So the current total price is $0.003, or like 0.03 cents, and you can multiply that times the tokens that you have in your node section to then see how much you actually earned. Right now, while you can technically buy it on 4 different chains, right now only Avalanche works as far as I know, so you have to use some AVAX to get their DVAX token. And if we think about the price that's going to launch as in tier 40 and later on, which will be not just 0.3 cents but 1.08 cents, that means we get a 3.5x guaranteed in here if we buy it now. Obviously, we get the most amount of tokens for our money right now, as this one is the first tier and the first round. But for all the upcoming rounds, the price increases. Now, even at 0.3 cents, some of the nodes in here, so far over the last few months, they made like 50, 60, 100,000 tokens, which means they all pretty much broke even already, and you get a return on investment if you got any nodes. If you want to buy it, simply connect your wallet. As always, select AVAX for now. You can test if right now the other chains work as well, if you have Sonomy Ethereum or BNB on that. But so far, you need to use AVAX in order to get some of the token. AVAX is about $23 to $24 right now, and you get 7,886 tokens per AVAX when I record this video. What I think is going to happen in this war run with everything that they're building, gaming is going to be big. Gaming on Avalanche in particular is going to be big, and they build something like the infrastructure, they help other games out, and have the opportunity and potential to onboard billions of gamers onto their testnet, which will then become the mainnet. You can also get some nodes. I have a video on that as well, where you can mint some of the keys. But for now, I just wanted to update you guys that the token sale is live now. You can get some of the tokens, and then have a potential 3.5x guarantee until they sell out in tier 4. Link is down below. More videos and notes coming soon. And until then, bye guys.